Hi everyone! Today let's learn about digraph CH. When we see C and H together, they make three different sounds. Let's learn what they are. First, the first sound is the most common sound. It goes like ch, ch, like in ch, chair, ch, cheese, ch, cherry, ch, chili. Second, sometimes CH sound like sh, sh. These usually comes from French words. For example, sh, chef, sh, chauffeur, sh, champagne, sh, chandelier. 3. CH can also sound like a hard K. This happens in words that comes from Greek or Latin. You'll often hear it in science or classical words. For example, chemical, chaos, character. So remember, CH can sound like ch, sh, or. Keep practicing and soon you'll remember them all.